Dark mode, a fan favorite amongst most developers and users alike. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to implement dark mode in our app. Now there are a number of ways to do this, and some include JavaScript, but today we're going to strictly be sticking with CSS. The App Media's Prefers Color Scheme is a CSS media feature that is widely supported, and it's used to detect whether a user has specified a light theme or a dark theme. This is done by looking at the device color scheme preferences that is set by the user and their system preferences. The Prefers Color Scheme takes one of three values: initial, light, or dark. By default, the initial is selected if these parameters are not specified. By setting it to light, it indicates that the user prefers a light theme, while setting it to dark indicates that the user prefers a dark theme. Today we're going to be using the Themes app that we created to demonstrate this. Inside the layout CSS, we're going to be using the App Media Prefers Color Scheme and specify that we want to use a dark theme by setting the Prefers Color Scheme to dark. Inside this, we then need to specify either a class, ID, or element that we want to target. But doing this may be time consuming, and there may be better and more efficient ways to do this. Instead, we may want to use CSS custom properties. The value of doing this is that we can set custom color schemes and then change the colors that are assigned to the variables based on if the user wants either a dark or light theme. We need to target the root element and then set our colors accordingly. We may also need to target additional classes or IDs to fine-tune our color scheme. Now that this is complete, we have a way to set light and dark color schemes based on the user system preferences, and without implementing any JavaScript. I find that modern CSS is becoming very powerful, and it's interesting to see what can be created. If you like short videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.